I'm David Murray. I'm a construction manager for CFE Incorporated. We're based out of Elmira, New York. We specialize in commercial roofing and sheet metal construction. We're a Centria dealer and install their panels all over upstate New York and Pennsylvania. Currently using the Bimet 300 on the Centria Formal Wall Dimension Series panels you see behind me. We've used them on several other projects throughout upstate New York. Bimet 300s allow us to use one tool instead of two. Traditionally we were drilling and installing a self-tapping screw with a drill and an impact gun. Now we can just simply use an impact gun to install the Bimet 300 in one step. So the 304 stainless allows for better ductility of the screw. In this application, the Centria panels move thermally, and the 304 stainless helps with ductility. The corrosion resistance is a major benefit as we're going into potentially dissimilar metals at certain times on the project. First and foremost, it's a great product. Second, the support and engineering backup that we get from their team is second to none.